Ghana for apostles. Yeah, and then wo ye yire no machi. God will bring also that into account. Sometimes I ask myself, how do you then get the conviction to come back and stand on this thing and speak to anybody? Who will be for fraud draws apart from near one and eternal? When Yakuku Oduro Ababaganianum Christo and shut up! We don't want to hear it. Young Pasiate. Suffer bonne yere, Kababru Masem Naminti. I will not listen. Me wabra bono and nuni yamiasam. Yes, some women see me. Shame. Messiam. Paul, some women and Musiam said, "Me Christo. When you Christo, me no. Opia shame. No one see me said, "Me Christo Siano." If we don't have this audacity and temerity, I'm telling you, no couldn't you. Serious, no couldn't you. I mean, one thing I have learned in marriage is that when you are angry, don't say, hurtful and damaging things that after your anger is appeased, you can't take it back. It is sure you didn't unconscious or because Obojua as someone our and you can't take it back. Oh, minimum I want to be more in some more. It's me cool remote control, cool paste, not done in Tokwa. Crowfoot me worry no me yirin dinko mosre. Ya grow the corner one more buludu or dame or worry. Beautiful life. With because nekele wele do me kono mi enu akogine mu ka se no ma che e dia ba be si asa so carpet so no ma tena se we di bi na we yi bi die ben na efesa the bia na wa mu na wo fi pia the bia wa mu na wo fi Unkuana Ghana song, o mampeni ekufuado, o mampeni kofuo, o mampeni mahama kura omo. Unkuana pressure tewoso. Pressure tewoso. The biawe muna. Friend na wamfa, na am friend wamfa, me my issue. What is she saying?